Hey guys, this is Tigris and today we are going to see how to share a folder from a Windows PC over a wire or a wireless network. So first of all, make sure your PC is connected to a network and we have an Android client device. So first of all, open Network and Sharing Center, then go to Change Share Advanced Sharing Setting and make sure all your settings for the current profile is like this. So open the current profile, then turn on network discovery, then secondly turn on the file and printer sharing, scroll it down and then uh, also enable the this option and enable use 28-bit encryption, and at the bottom we will see turn off password protecting or turn on password protector sharing. I will prefer using turn off password protector sharing. If you want password protector, then you can turn it on as well. Then save the changes, and now just go to that drive and create a folder which we want to share. So go to that drive, make a new folder and rename it whatever you want. It will be seen on the client PC or the device. So now for stuffs inside this folder will be shared on the network. So right click on the folder, go to properties and then go to sharing and then click on the share button. After opening this dialog box, first of all click on the drop down menu and click on everyone and click add. So this entry will be added below. So in the permission level, click read and write, provide both the permission and click share. So the folder will be shared over the network. So as you can see, your folder is shared, so we are done. So now I will put a file inside the folder to show you guys that it works. So I will be copying this video inside the folder, and you can copy any of the file that you want, music, video, document, anything you want. So now this folder is shared over the network. So we are done with the PC part, and now we have to work on the Android device. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so now we are back on the phone. So for accessing the shared folder on your Android device or the client PC, so for Android device you need to download an application or a software called as ES File Explorer. So just go to Google Play Store and search for ES File Explorer and you will take it here and just download it. It's a free app, and then just open that app. So after opening that app you will see it is basically a file explorer. So at the top left corner you will see three dots or the options. So just tap on it and then it will show you something like this. So these are five categories. Just click on network and then select LAN and make sure that your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the server PC is connected to. So now just click on LAN, and for first time it will show nothing here. So just at the bottom you will see scan. So just press this scan, so it will scan for a shared PC over the network. So just wait for a few seconds and it will show up there. Okay, as you can see it's showing my PC there. So let it complete the scanning. Okay, so it has been completed. As you can see now, here is showing my PC. So just tap on it and it will load the files over the network. Okay, as you can see, we have all the files here that are shared, but these are all the system shared, so we don't need these. Our shared folder is here. As you can see, it's shared here. So just click on that folder and it will show you. Okay, as you can see, so we have copied the file in that folder and it is showing here. So if you want to play, just click on it and you can choose any of the player. I will probably choose the MX because it plays those. So guys, now it will stream the video from your shared PC. So it will take some time depending on the network speed. Okay, as you can see now, it's buffering at the bottom. As you can see, it's now buffering, and it's very fast. As you can see, if I press here, it will start buffering from there. As you can see, it is buffering here. I have lowered down the volume for the copyright, but the audio works very well as we are saying the video here. And this works with everything such as images, audio, video, or even the documents can be shared by using this. So guys, if you found this video helpful, as always hit that like button and subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys.